hungry, and he requires his meal. And you, I thought you would be more of a challenge. You're pathetic. Mission updated. New orders given. Destroy. I will fry you. How pitiful. This performance is sad. Even for you. And you, I thought I would face a challenge. You're disappointing. So, Hedgehog, we meet again, but this time, it won't end good for you. You may have beaten me last time, but now, I'll make sure you don't walk out alive.
Furnace! I demand you bring me my food now!
My master demands a meal, and he demands it now. Your fate was sealed the moment you walked in front of me, Hedgehog. How disappointing. And you, I thought you'd be much of a fighter. What? Who are you?
Looks like they sent some bucket of bolts to finish me off. How disappointing. What? Never seen a god?
I don't care if you're some god. You will be served to my master the same as the others.